Gonna try something. I normally don't do this, but I've done it before. Got this broken glass on this garage. Went by the His House thrift store where they sell like house stuff, all kind of stuff, and got this piece of glass right here, this piece of window for $5. And I got a glass cutter. I'm just gonna go for it. I already got the measurements. We'll see what happens. So I'm on the inside, about to cut this glass. Just laid it down on this flat piece. Just gonna mark it out and give it a cut. Just took the screws out of the frame and I'm pulling off this bad glass. I gotta remember to put some caulk around it. 19 by 11 and a half. Okay, so I'm gonna do the 11 and a half first so I can have 3 tries at it in case something goes wrong. I got this big piece of glass so I can have multiple tries. Here goes. Gotta press hard. There's the score. Now I gotta snap it off. Lining up this edge right here. And should be able to, let me get some, I had some gloves. I'll use this. Here goes. Got it. Got my 11 and a half. So now I gotta do the 19 this way. Just got my score on there with the glass cutting tool. This had low reviews, but I think people, well, let me get this done before I say people didn't know what they were doing. All right, this one's a little shorter, but I think I can do it. Got it. Perfect cut. Let's go over here, go back over here. See what we got. We got it. I'm about to caulk it up and put the screws back in and we're done. Got my caulk on there. Just gotta make sure everything's lined up. Almost. So there we go. Like it never happened. Let's look at it from the outside. There we go. Like it never happened. And being that it was house glass, it don't look like some cheap glass, like a picture frame glass or something. But yeah, that's it. Nice.